All, you are welcome to Sir Joe science class. During the last lesson, in my previous video, I treated NECO 2012 past question in order to prepare our students for the coming NECO, which is NECO 2026. Now, I picked this question from the first question. The question says, the chord AB of a circle of radius 7 cm suspends an angle of 60 degrees at the center. Find, correct to 2 decimal places, the area of the minor segment cut off by AB. Now, I make this as our A, O, then B. Now, you can see that in this diagram we have a circle together with a minor segment and a triangle, that is equilateral triangle. What I mean by equilateral triangle is that equilateral triangle is a type of triangle that has all its 3 sides equal. Now, based on the question and the values given, we have angle theta is equal to 60 degrees, angle theta is equal to 60 degrees, radius r is equal to 7 cm, and pi is equal to 22 all over 7. Now, the formula for area of minor segment is given as area of sector minus area of triangle. And what is area of sector? The area of sector is given as theta all over 360 times by r squared. We now have, by substituting, we substitute 60 for theta, 22 all over 7 for pi, and 7 times 7 for r squared. So we now have 60 divided by 360 multiplied by 22 all over 7 multiplied by 7 all over 1 multiplied by 7 all over 1. So here we have 60 into 60 is 1, and 60 into 360 is 6. So we can now proceed by using our calculator. That is, for the numerator, that is the value up, we have 22 multiplied by 7 multiplied by 7 is equals to 1078 equals to 1078 all over. Now, the denominator, that is the values under, we have 6 and 7 and the values under. So 6 times 7 is equal to 42. 42. So we now have 1078 divided by 42. So we have the area of sector is equal to area of sector is equal to 25.67. 25, we have 25.67 centimeter square. That is the area of sector. Now, for area of triangle. For area of triangle, because the triangle is an equilateral triangle, so the area of triangle is given as half r squared sine theta. Our r is equal to 7. Then our theta is equal to the angle which is equals to 60 degrees. So now we substitute area of triangle is equals to half multiplied by 7 times 7 times sine 60 degrees. We now have area of triangle is equals to half times 49 times, now sine 60 degrees is equals to 0.8660, 0.8660. So now we multiply the values together. We have 49 multiplied by 0.8660, then divided by 2, we have 10.60, which is equals to 10.61 by approximation. We have 10.61 centimeter square. Now we now have the area of minor segment. Area of minor segment is equals to 25.67 centimeter square minus 10.61 centimeter square. So we now have 15, which is equal to area. Therefore, area of minor segment is equals to 15.06 centimeter square. Now we move to the next question, and the next question says the sum of three numbers is 32. If the second number is 4 more than the first, while the third is twice the second, find the numbers. I take the question again. The sum of three numbers is 32. If the second number is 4 more than the first, while the third is twice the second, find the numbers. Now, let the first number be x. Let the first number be x. And if the first number is x, now it means that the second number, which is 4 more than the first number, so let the second number be y, and let the third number be z. Now, from the information given, it means that second number which is y is equals to x plus 4 is equals to x plus 4. Then the third number is equals to z, which is equals to, that is twice the second, which is 2 into x plus 4. So from these values, we can now continue with the solving. And this question is picked from the theory question. All the questions that I've been solving are picked from the NECO theory past questions. So from these values, we now have, this implies that x, which is the first number, plus the second number, which is now x plus 4, because y is equal to x plus 4. Then the third number, which is z, is equal to 2 into x plus 4. So we now have plus 2 into x plus 4. So from this, we can now have x, we collect like times. And before we collect like times, we open this bracket. So we now have x plus x plus x, then plus 4 plus, by the time we open the bracket, we have 2 times x, which is 2x. Then by the time we multiply 2 times 4, we have 8. So we now have x plus x. So the x plus x plus 2x, then plus 4 plus 8. Now the question says the sum of the 3 numbers is 32. So which means that we equate everything to 32. Everything is equals to 32. So here we have x plus 2x, that's 4x. 4x plus 4 plus 8, that's 12. 4 plus 8 is equals to 12. So we have that's 4x is equals to 32 minus 12. Because 4 plus 8 is equal to 12. So we now have 4x is equal to 32 minus 12, which is equal to 20. Now, if 4x is equal to 20, we need to find the value of x. So which means that we divide both sides. Divide both sides by 4. So we have 4x divided by 4 equals to 20 divided by 4. Why are we dividing by 4? We are dividing by 4 because 4 is the coefficient of 4. So 4 into 4 is 1, 4 into 4 is 1, 4 into 4 is 1, then 4 into 20 is equals to 5. So we now have x is equals to 5. Now, based on the question, find the numbers. So x is equal to 5. Then from y is equals to x plus 4, it means that y is equals to 5 plus 4, which is equals to 9. Then z Z is equals to 2 into x plus 4. And our x is equals to 5. So which means that Z is equals to 2 into 5 plus 4. So Z is equals to 2 into 9. That is 2 times 9, which is equals to 18. Therefore, x is equals to 5, y is equals to 9, and z is equals to 18. So everything that I've taught you, and by the time you are writing your maths examination tomorrow, you will score a very high mark. You are going to do excellently. So don't stop tuning into Sir Joe Science class. Subscribe and do have a great and subsequent classes.